Hi everyone, welcome to the session of matrices and vectors with Python. In this session, we will learn how to reshape a matrix. So as usual, we will import the numpy package, followed by we'll create a matrix of some order. Matrix is equals to np.random dot, and then we'll say the elements lies between 0 and 9, and we'll say it is of 6 by 6 order. Execute this. Now what is the shape of my matrix? It's 6 by 6. Now if I want to reshape it, like if it is 6 by 6, total element will be how much? 36. So if you want to reshape it, matrix.reshape, and then 36, you get a factor of 36. 36 can be 4 rows 9 column, or 9 rows 4 column, 4 comma 9, or it can be 9 comma 4. If we execute this, we'll have two different matrix. One will have 4 rows and 9 columns, and will have 9 columns and 4 rows. Even 36, the other factors of 36 can be 12 rows 3 columns, followed by 3 rows and 12 columns. If we execute this, so this is how we can reshape the existing matrix. Again, we can also have 24 rows, 2 column, 2 rows, based on your requirements, or based on your specific what you are dealing with. You can try it out. I just wanted to show how we use. Thanks a lot for watching this session, a precise session on reshape of how to reshape a matrix. In case if you like the matrix, please press the like button and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.